Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Coding with Dano. Today I'm going to explain Docker in a simple way. Actually, Docker is a very popular tool that developers use around the world. So let me show you what it is and why it's so useful. First, let's understand the problem. Imagine you create an application on your computer or system. It works perfectly, but when you send it to a friend or deploy on a server, it doesn't work. Why? Because two different systems may have different operating system, different configuration or different version of software. This is actually a very common issue in software development. Developers will say, but it works perfectly in my machine. Actually, Docker solves this issue. So what is Docker? Docker is actually a tool or platform that packages your application with everything it needs to run, like code, dependencies, system tools, libraries, and all into something called container. Then what is container? You can think container like a shipping box. Just like a shipping box, we can move it to anywhere by truck, train, or ship. And a Docker container can run anywhere on laptop, on server, or in a cloud platform also. Everything inside the container that will stays the same. Docker gives us three main benefits. First one, isolation. Actually, each Docker container is separate, so the application don't get interfere with each other. The second one is efficiency. Actually, is unlike your virtual machine, the Docker is lightweight, so we can start it quickly. The third one is consistency. You can run your application like as I like previous. We can run the same way everywhere. So Docker makes the development process easier, faster, and reliable. Many companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix they use Docker in their production system. If you want to learn more about Docker, please let me know in comment section. That's all about today's video. Thanks for watching.